here.
And of course, clear skies makes that nice.
Yeah.
But then there's this other thing to contend with. The temperatures.
The temperatures, yeah. Mother Nature not necessarily playing along with what the calendar is saying, because it's going to feel like maybe the middle of July as the high heat continues to build. That's why we've got a KOIN 6 weather alert currently in place as we take a live look out over downtown Portland on this beautiful Friday evening. Still, even at this hour, temperatures on the comfortable side, if not even the warmer side of things, at 74 degrees. Expecting to fall back into the 60s as we work our way through the early morning hours. By sunrise, 63 or so, and then it's all downhill or up the thermometer from there as we continue to see those dry skies across the Willamette Valley. You'll notice, though, a bit of that cloud coverage still hugging parts of the coastline. That's where we go ahead and zoom into the Newport area. You can see the fog layers still dancing about our sky, and that's going to be the case through the mid-morning hours tomorrow. So if you are heading out to the beach, head north. You got a better chance to see the sunshine just a little bit earlier in the day. But across the board, temperatures in towards the 60s, mid-70s for us here. A lot of the city cement and buildings kind of traps in some of that heat just a little bit longer. Speaking of trapping in the heat, you want to trap in the cool air with sealing those windows and doors during the peak heat of the day. But maybe this evening, crack open the windows, let some fresh air in, let the fan do its work as we climb yet again tomorrow back up into the mid-90s. But we've been no stranger to the summer heat. Already 20 days in the bank, and that does include today, where on average we should only see about 13 days in the 90s. 3 days we're able to climb up into the triple-digit mark. Now, the month of August has had its highs and its lows, with daytime high temperatures approaching the triple-digit mark for the first of the month. But then look, back on the 23rd, that's where we struggled to even hit 70 degrees. So when you take all of these days and you average them out, we've only sat above average by about a half degree. So exactly where we should see ourselves for the month of August, as we do anticipate September to bring a better equal chance for average conditions to return, with maybe even a better chance for some wet weather to find its way back into the Pacific Northwest. And that brings us to September, typically our third driest month of the year. So we'll tack on an additional inch of moisture as we cool things back to a 77-degree average high and 54 for that low. But by the end of September, 72 degrees will be a nice change of pace for us. Of course, we will be sitting well above that over the next several days. 90s Sunday, the weather alert comes to an end, but still toasty out there. Cooler Monday and Tuesday before we warm things back up again. So if you're trying to find a spot to cool down, maybe some of those waterways, make sure you are wearing your life vest. As tonight, we fall back to about 63 degrees with the clear skies overhead. So here's what's on tap for tomorrow. If you're heading to the coast, 60s and 70s. The I-5 corridor, it's hot. Mid to upper 90s. Out east, the summer sizzle does continue, and even up in elevation, can't escape the heat there either, as the holiday weekend does bring that KOIN 6 weather alert into Saturday, and then Sunday and Monday we do cool things back, as our 7-day forecast shows another surgence of the high heat. 90s Wednesday, Thursday, no rain to speak of, and Monday not likely going to pick up on any measurable rainfall, but you might get a cool raindrop or two. Great for maybe doing some barbecuing outside.
Oh, I like that. And it'll kind of feel like, hey, it really is September.
Yep.
All right. Thanks, Josh.
So much happening in sports tonight. Here's Brenna.